Very cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. Students, we have completed our syllabus for the month of July and August, and now we will be starting the revision. I hope you got the syllabus and the chapter's name that will come in your September exams. So, from today onwards, we will be starting our revision. And for the revision, first we will do the revision of literature chapters, and after that, we will do the grammar. Side by side, I will be taking your test, subjective test, in which you have to write the answers on a paper, click the photograph, convert it into PDF form, and send it to the email ID provided by the school. September exams will be conducted exactly in the same way. This is, we are providing you or giving you the practice how to submit test in email ID. Objective test is very much clear to you that objective test will be conducted through Google Forms that contain 20 questions. Each question is of half marks. So objective test will be of 10 marks and subjective test will be of 30 marks for the month of September. And we'll do the practice of subjective test, that how you are going to attempt subjective test via revision. So today we are revising chapter 5, Plants Also Breathe and Feel. In the next class, I will be taking the test of the same chapter in the form of subjective form, where you will be provided word meanings, question answers, and you have to write the answers of the same on a paper and send it back on email ID provided by the school. So let's start. Plants also breathe and feel. In this chapter, we studied that Jagdish Chandra Bose invented an instrument named as crescograph, which is a wonderful instrument, and it measures the growth of plants. It also proved that plants have heart and they can feel. Also, they have sight and sense. So from this, Jagdish Chandra Bose proved that plants have life and plants are living organisms. Jagdish Chandra Bose was born in 1858 in a village in West Bengal, and he studied physics in Calcutta University. After that, he went to England and graduated in physics from Cambridge. He worked as a professor of physics in Presidency College in Calcutta. Jagdish Chandra Bose was rebel by nature. He could not bear that Indians usually got two-thirds of the salary of European professors. He demanded same pay for the same work. So, you all know Jagdish Chandra Bose invented crescograph, and that is the wonderful instrument that proves to be the most important invention in the field of science. Earlier, India was not famous in the field of science. It was because of Jagdish Chandra Bose India got popularity in scientific world also. Jagdish Chandra Bose, as I told you, was rebel by nature. He demanded equal pay for the same work done by the employees. He was so determined and because of that he struggled with the government for 3 years, and at last he was the victorious. It was his self confidence, self respect that he was not ready to give up his principles, and in the end he won. So I hope the main points we discussed in the main class is clear to all of you. Now we will learn the word meanings. Doubters. Doubter means those who do not accept anything easily. Rested. Rested means motionless. Manure. Manure means fertilizers. Convocation means assembly of people. Sight means ability to see. Tissue means group of cells. And rebel means those who don't follow laws. Now, what was the instrument made by Jagdish Chandra Bose? Crescograph was the instrument made by Jagdish Chandra Bose, the great Indian scientist, and it can measure the growth of plants, and it also proved that plants have heart and feel. Plants have heart and feel. So I repeat, Crescograph was the instrument made by Jagdish Chandra Bose. This is the instrument which measures the growth of plant, and it also proved that plants have heart and they can feel. Also, plants have sight and they can sense whether the stranger is approaching towards them or not. You can add answers or frame answers in your own words. No issues, but it should be in a proper sense. Now next is, where did Bose study? Bose studied physics. Bose studied physics at Calcutta University, and after that he went to England for further studies. He graduated from Cambridge and then he returned to India, and after that he was appointed as Professor of Physics, Presidency College in Calcutta. So I repeat the answer. He studied physics at Calcutta University. After that he went to England for further studies. Then from there he graduated from Cambridge, and then he returned to India, and after returning he was appointed as a professor of Physics, Presidency College in Calcutta. Okay, next question is, what did Bose has to struggle for? Now, if you go with the chapter, if you understood the chapter clearly, you know Bose struggled for 3 years with the government. For what reason? Because the government is not paying equal amount of salary to their employees, and this was the point of struggle between the Bose and the government for 3 years. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now let's read what we had written. The struggle was that in British rule, usually Indians receive 2/3 of the salary. Bose wanted the salary should be paid the same whatever race or nation a person belonged to. So you can write it any sense, in any way. Either you can write like this, that Bose struggled with government for 3 years as the government was not paying equal amount of salary to their employees. Okay, and as Bose was rebel by nature, that is the reason Bose has to struggle for equal rights of salary. Or you can learn the answer which I had dictated you. Next question was, why did people laugh on Bose's statement? Why people laughed? People laughed because Bose was saying that plants can feel. Plants, metals, and even non-living things, they can feel. They can also feel happy, they can also feel depressed, they can also have emotions, and because of, as people disbelieved him, that's why they laughed on Bose. So Bose said that plants and metals had a life of their own and they could become tired, depressed, or happy. This made the people laughed at him. Okay, so I hope you got the answer. Next question, is how did the instrument made by Bose work? This you all know. The instrument made by Bose was known as crescograph. It measured the growth of plants. Okay, then it also proved that plants can feel and plants have heart. They have sight and sense that the stranger is approaching towards them. This is the answer. Or you can learn the answer which I had dictated you, that Bose designed and built a machine named crescograph which records the growth of plants. It proved that plants have heart and are capable of feeling. It also indicated that plants have a keen sight and react to the rays of light and wireless waves. Okay. And the last question is, what did Bose speak about India in a convocation in Mysore? What did the Bose speak about India? He spoke that all the Indians are very intelligent and they are capable of doing something. Right. He wanted his countrymen to have faith in themselves. This is what he wanted. This is what he spoke. So let's learn. Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose spoke about India's glory in the past and declared that it was action and not idleness that was responsible for glories. Single person would not rest unless it had been won for all. So either you learned this, either you whatever understood from the chapter, that also you can write. So I hope you revised chapter 50, chapter 5, plants also breathe and feel. Now I know you know the answers of back exercise 2, because I know you listened very carefully when we read in through online classes. Jagdish Chandra Bose made a machine that could measure the growth of plants. These questions will come in the form of Phillips also. In 19th century, India was well known for arts, philosophy, literature, all of these. Yes, all of these. Jagdish Chandra Bose did not touch the salary for how many years? 3 years. Bose suggested that dash have a great deal in common. Animals, minerals, vegetables, and all of these. Yes, all of these. So I hope the concept of this chapter and the word meanings and question answers are clear to you. I know you are very intelligent. Still, it's a request to please take this revision seriously. Watch the video carefully. If something is still not clear to you, you are free to ask anytime. So next time, prepare chapter 5 for the test, subjective form of test. I will be sending you subjective form of test, not objective. This time we will do practice of subjective test. This way you will learn how to attempt test in subjective form. And after that you have to click the photograph of your paper on which you have attempted the test and send it to the email ID. After converting that test into PDF file, convert it into PDF file and then send it on the given email ID. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.